2013. Brother Sean Watts Eel. First Watts, right? This is your nationality and identification card for the Moorish Science Temple of America and birthrights for the Moorish Americans, ETC. We honor all the divine prophets, Jesus, Muhammad, Buddha, and Confucius. May the blessings of the God of our Father, Allah, be upon you that carry this card. I do hereby declare that you are a Muslim under the divine laws of the Holy Quran of Mecca. Love, truth, peace, freedom, and justice. Swear up. Swear up. Give it together. Raise your right hand. Repeat after me. I am a citizen of the USA.
I am a citizen of the USA.
Noble Jew Ali the Prophet.
Noble Jew Ali the Prophet.
Chicago, Illinois, USA. Islam, well, welcome to the family.
Islam! Takbir! Takbir! Takbir!
Islam. Praise Allah.
He just nationalized himself.
What's the